Hello students, we have a new module in our classes, the Science as a Process module. This is a learning activity that all students in the CCC Online Science Division are going through at the same time. We hope that you appreciate the interaction, and this video will get you on task because it moves very quickly. Okay, so I'm in content. My table of contents are on the left here. Science as a Process, click there, and then the items will load on the right side. So I'm going to control click on task lists and assignments to put them back here on a new page, and I'm going to bookmark this page. I already have, so it's asking me if I should remove the bookmark, but I want to keep it there. The bookmark, I'll show you over here, is at the very top of the table of contents. So anything you have bookmarked, like your task list or your schedule or your current unit or module items, will show up first at the top of your D12 classroom. Furthermore, if you log off when the bookmark page is open, then when you log on again, it will be open again. Okay, so for the module Science as a Process, here is your task list. Okay, so the first thing to do is to read the introduction and learning objectives, which are right here. This is in chronological order, this list. And then go ahead and take the survey, Thinking About Science. Okay, you can access the survey through this link, or you can go to Assessments, Surveys. Okay, and click through here. Okay, and realize that this is not a module to grade you on very heavily. The idea here is for you to warm up and understand science before you jump into your content. So please don't be afraid to just speak candidly about what you know and what you understand right now. And you'll have an opportunity to do that in the first discussion, what is science, okay? And you don't need to interact with your peers here, just write, what do you think science is? And your instructor will not be fully engaged in this discussion. They'll just be watching. These are student-centered discussions. Okay, so after you post your what is science discussion, read the scientific inquiry notes and then post the scientist and investigations discussion, okay? And you'll see all of that again right down here. Again, here we don't want you to look up the answers. We really want this to be a learning experience for you. Imagine this is happening in the classroom and this is the first activity you do in your lab period, okay? And imagine yourself sitting at a round table with small groups of students, okay? You're getting this foundation under you before you get into the heavy content of your science course, okay? And then you are going to move forward and complete the science inquiry activity, okay? And then you'll see that there are small group discussions, and you're going to discuss the outcome of the scientific inquiry activity in your small group discussions, okay? I'll send you an email letting you know which group you're in, and we need you to answer these questions. And again, your instructor is not going to hold your hand through this process. This is a place for you to talk to other students, and then when you have finished discussing, you need to make a final post that clearly states our group's response to number 1 is, to number 2 is, okay? Once you have completed that, move forward to inquiry activity 2. Same procedure with this small group discussion, and again I iterate that your instructors are not going to hold your hand here. This is an opportunity for you to talk to your classmates and build community within the class right away on the first few days of class. Okay, then you have a Dropbox assignment to complete, a little bit more reading, and so on and so forth. The idea here is just go through these activities in the next 2 weeks. Don't wait. As soon as you finish one, start the next one. The deadlines for the discussions are noted in the discussions tab, okay? So when you head over here to your discussion list, you will see that, for example, what is science? It's only open till tomorrow, so hopefully you've already done that part, or you will do it today or tomorrow. Then you have another few days to participate in the scientist and investigations discussion. At the same time, you should be talking in your small group discussions. Okay, then by the beginning of next week, you should be on your second activity, the second mystery cube. Okay, by midweek next week, we'll be talking about experimental design, question and hypothesis. Okay, and then by the end of the week, we'll be returning to this big question, what is science? And your instructor will post a summarizing post, and here is your opportunity to ask last-minute questions on this module, and then we will be done with the Science as a Process module. Right in conjunction with the finishing of this module, your lab kits will start to be sent out, and then you can delve into your lab work with more knowledge and understanding about the foundation of science. I hope this is helpful to you. Please contact your instructor if you have any questions. Thank you.